Sometimes, pride speaks louder than peace. And when no one is ready to step back, both may fall.
Once upon a time, in a quiet mountain village, there were two strong goats. One was white, the other was brown. They lived on opposite hills with a deep river between them. A narrow wooden bridge connected the two sides. The bridge was so thin that only one goat could cross at a time. One morning, both goats stepped onto the bridge from opposite ends. They met in the middle. The white goat said, "Move back. I want to go first." The brown goat replied, "No, you move. I was here first." They both refused to step back. They stood tall and proud. They locked horns. They pushed and fought, right in the middle of the narrow bridge. The bridge started to shake. Then crack, the wood broke. Both goats fell into the river. Cold water rushed around them. They struggled. They cried. But it was too late. Both goats lost. Later that day, two younger goats came to the same bridge. They also met in the middle. But this time, something was different. One goat smiled kindly and said, "You go first, friend." The other nodded and said, "Thank you." One stepped back. The other crossed. Then both safely reached their sides. No fight, no fall, no loss. Moral of the story: fighting to win can make you lose everything. When we choose peace over pride, everyone wins. Unity over conflict always leads to a brighter path.